Hey guys, today we have a smoke bomb here. This one is slightly smaller than the one that I did a while back. But this one is called Burning Rubber by Kong Fireworks. And there's a price tag here, but it's crossed out. I think I remember buying it for like $3. So yeah, there's a fuse there. Already opened that up a little bit. So we'll go ahead and light this off here in a second. I have a feeling this is black smoke, mainly because of the name. It's burning rubber. Burning rubber makes black smoke, and there's a tire in the background, so that's a pretty cool label. I almost want to keep this label, so, but maybe I'll try to take it off before. Yeah, it's already ripping. So yeah, we'll go ahead and light this off and see how long it lasts. And yeah, I've never had a black smoke bomb before, so this is gonna be a little interesting. So yeah, let's go light it off and see what it does. Burning rubber. Let's see how long this thing lasts. Yeah, it's black smoke. That's definitely the strangest thing I've ever seen. Yeah, it almost looks like something's burning over here. Someone's gonna think something's burning. I wonder how long that thing will last. And it kind of dissipates and turns white, kind of grayish after it goes up. Oh, that didn't last very long. It's already over. So that lasted about a minute and 10 seconds, kind of. There's ash flying all over the place. It's pretty interesting. Oh yeah, look what it did to the... Yep, that's hot. Pretty interesting. Well, that definitely didn't last as long as I thought it would. Yeah, I thought it was just gonna last a little bit longer, but that is definitely interesting. I've never had a black smoke bomb before, so that's unique. Yeah, thank you guys for watching. Like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time with another video.